guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I do my eyeliner. The first thing you're going to need is a thin brush liner or anything with a precise tip. You're also going to need a felt liner. I use the one from ColourPop, but normally I use the one from M Cosmetics. Here I'm tilting my head upwards to see where the bottom lash line ends and in what direction. Then you're going to take your brush tip liner and you're going to start at the bottom lash line where it ends, and you're going to flick upwards towards the ends of your brows. I normally stop at my second eyelid crease, but that's because I have weird eyelid creases. My eyes are a bit tapered, but it also has a second eyelid crease on the bottom, so this is just what works for me. For the top of the line, you're going to start at the middle of your eyelid and then you're going to connect it to the first line that you made, but you're going to stop halfway just so you can make sure that your eyeliner is sharp and not bulky. Normally people tend to connect it to the tip of the first line, and that's what makes it thick. Next, you're going to take your felt tip liner and fill in that structure that you just made. Normally, felt tip liners are darker and last longer, and it's really easy to find waterproof felt liners. Since the felt tip liner is usually thicker, it's harder to make the first few lines, so it's easier to just use it to fill in. So since I messed up, I'm just taking micellar water and cleaning it with a Q-tip. I recommend pinching your Q-tip so you can avoid removing the whole line. Here, I'm just gently lifting my eyelids so I can fill in my lash line. It's really hard for me to fill it in without lifting because my lashes grow downward. So this just makes it easier for me in my eye shape. After you fill in, just clean up whatever you need to. Then just repeat on the other side. Something to note, my eyes were kind of swollen because I woke up 30 minutes before starting this. So make sure to depuff your eyes. So to finish the eyes, I'm just curling my lashes and curling it upwards so I can avoid an L curl. Then just add a little mascara. And this is the finished look. This is my go-to eyeliner, and this is something that works for me in my eye shape. So if it doesn't work out for you, just keep trying. Trial and error. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.